Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Subaru Outback faster. We'll start by looking at some straightforward modifications that can significantly improve your vehicle's acceleration and overall responsiveness. These initial steps are often the most impactful and budget-friendly, providing a noticeable difference in your driving experience without extensive work. Let's dive into the first easy method to get more out of your Outback. One of the easiest ways to boost your Outback's speed is by optimizing its airflow. A cold air intake system allows your engine to breathe cooler, denser air, leading to more efficient combustion and increased horsepower. Pairing this with a performance exhaust system reduces back pressure, letting exhaust gases exit more quickly. Together, these modifications create a noticeable improvement in your car's power delivery and sound. Next, consider an engine tune or ECU flash. This involves reprogramming your car's engine control unit to optimize parameters like fuel delivery, ignition timing, and boost pressure. A professional tune can unlock hidden power, often resulting in gains of up to 20% in horsepower and torque. It's a highly effective way to maximize your Outback's performance potential, tailored to your specific vehicle. Finally, reducing unsprung weight with lighter wheels can significantly improve acceleration and handling. Also, never underestimate the power of consistent maintenance. Fresh oil, clean filters, and properly inflated tires ensure your Outback runs at its best. For other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your faster Subaru Outback.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.